Good afternoon, everyone. It's Sarah here. Welcome to my channel. And I thought today we could make some bows. I was inspired to make these today by a video that I had watched that Kimbo Creations had shared a haul that she'd got from Ollie's, or not Ollie's. Oh, I can't remember the name of the shop. Anyway, there was something that she'd bought and it was felt bows. Now, I've turned my craft room upside down looking for felt and I couldn't find any. But what I did find was like fake leather and pleather and PVC and glittered pleather and all sorts. So I thought I'll just make some bows out of that. So these are the ones that I've made. So these are all fabric. They've got white kind of fabric backs on them. And this one I did a little sunshine in the middle. So this is a yellow glittered one. And then we've got a yellow PVC one, and it's kind of got a felt back on it. They're really pretty. This one's fake leather and kind of the felt back. Again, this is the PVC. I really like this one. And I love the feel of this one. This is like a fake soft leather. And I just put a little heart in. And this is a green fabric kind of backed, glittered one as well. So the insides that I used, the little hearts are this here that I got, and it's Dear Lizzie. I don't know what the make is. It's from 2019. No idea what it's called, but that's what I used for the centre. And that was for the hearts, and for the sunshine centres I used a Rosie Studio puffy sticker for that. So that was from that one. I'm not sure which collection. So I'm going to just pop these up to the top there. And I thought we could make one from scratch. So today I'm using my sidekick. I'm just going to put it to the side and do it so that I don't knock the camera. And I've already got my 2 bits cut out, and we're using it's almost like PVC vinyl type fabric. And when I find my felt, I will make more. Let me just pop these in. I can't believe that I can't find my felt. And if it doesn't turn up, I'll end up ordering more from Amazon because I want nice pastel colours. And we'll see how that goes. So I'm just cranking this through. Hope I'm not shaking the screen too much. I just put them through twice so that, and it just cuts through it like butter. It's really, really good. And then we'll just do this little tail. I've already got my hot glue set up at the side because I just put this together with hot glue. What I should have done was had these cut out already, but I thought I'll just do a little video for you. And then that's those. And it's just a case of getting my hot glue. Now what I do is I pull this over to kind of halfway point, keep my finger on it if you can see that, and then get the hot glue gun in and just put a little bead of hot glue across there and push that back down, and it puts a little bead out the other side. And then all I do is fold this over and get it to meet in the middle. And push that down. And there you have your bow. And you can just puff that up a little bit if you want. And get the base of the bow down and put some more hot glue down there. And I can't see where the centre is because my camera's in front. There we go. And just pop that down. And there you have it. They're as easy as that, and I just love them. I do have more. I've got some more. Let's put that little green one in the centre. I do have some more different colours of pleather in another packet in my drawer, but that's got textures on it. It's textured textured pleather. There we go. And that's all there is to it. So simple, and yet that's given me a little stash of bows for my collection. In fact, I should have moved them over a wee little bit. There we go. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'm going to wait to make more bows, and they're all green tones, which if you know me, you know I love green, and we'll see how it goes. So if I don't come back with another video tomorrow, which is Easter Sunday, I'll just wish you a happy Easter just now, and hope you all have a nice time with your families and loved ones, and I'll see you all soon, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.